Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the essentials: Visual Studio with the Azure workload and the correct NET SDK installed. Once done, sign into your Azure account inside Visual Studio so deployments are seamless. Create a new project, choose Azure Functions, pick a trigger type, and select the runtime and storage account options. Make sure to name the project clearly. This helps later when linking to resource groups. These first steps set the environment so you avoid version conflicts and deployment errors later on. Now you implement the function logic and why each choice matters. Pick an HTTP trigger if you need REST access or timer for scheduled jobs. Once done, add NuGet packages and environment variables in local. Settings: JSON so secrets stay local. Debug locally using functions, core tools integrated in Visual Studio. Set breakpoints and call the function with Postman or a browser. Make sure to test edge cases and exception paths so the deployed version behaves predictably under load. Finally, publish from Visual Studio directly to an Azure Function app and confirm the runtime stack and app service plan. Once deployed, monitor metrics and traces with application insights so you know performance and error causes. If things go wrong, restart the function app and inspect streaming logs. Misconfigured connection strings, wrong storage account, or mismatched runtime are common culprits. Make sure to use a staging slot for safe testing and swap when ready. This reduces downtime and isolates configuration changes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.